the old baler. Been in the shed for about 15, 16 years. Just going to get it restored and put into a nice spot and a bit of history. So it's been working the district since brand new. Probably the same as the brown. But yeah, so me and the old man there dragged it out of the shed and clean that all up and get that ready for the next season. So pretty cool to see. So him and his mates used to do the district and look after all the farms. Old school motor, the old bump start. Both been on the property since new. As you can see, the farm with that little bit of rain we had last week has definitely given it some green.